Hi, Joseph with Kilt Beard Company. Today we're going to talk about Kilt Beard Company's Advanced Beard Wash. It's not a shampoo, it's not a conditioner, it's not a stripping agent, it's just an advanced beard wash. A one-stop kind of beard wash and then some. So let's dig into it. So here's our fresh and clean beard wash. With rosemary, just a nice, fresh, neutral scent. Won't clash with any other scents, very welcoming. So we do not have any shampoo base or sulfate base in this, so there's no chemicals that are going to harm your skin and beard. Also, it cleanses gently, so maintaining a pH of about 5, you're going to have your natural pH and non-stripping agent of your skin, while washing all the bad stuff away. It's maintaining all the good stuff. It deeply hydrates. Hyaluronic acid helps to deeply penetrate and hydrate your skin and beard, so to maximize the health and the nourishment of your beard and skin. We try to say those interchangeably, but skin and beard. And strengthens fibers. So we got prebiotics, probiotics, ferments in there that are going to naturally strengthen the roots to the tip of the follicle and your skin too at the same time, so that they are both on par with each other, helping each other out, being healthy and strong. Then we stimulate growth with caffeine. Caffeine is known to stimulate growth, so everybody wants to grow stronger, more follicles, more beard, etc. like that. So all in all, no chemicals, no sulfates. We give you 4 more ounces than a typical beard wash of 8 ounces. So Kilt's Advanced Beard Wash is an amazing, one-of-a-kind beard washes that we hope that you will love and give it a shot. Kilt Beard Company, defy ordinary, be Kiltaceous.